Ukertong ka VPP uba penkrau Borlin Kharjarin ulayo ekajingjop napo mau kerwat constituency hadin baulala ban pelim yo kertong ka UDP uba Jeslan Roy Nongset Dalai Hajar Sanspa South Pravot but yo sitting MDC uba Karnes Sosyang naga parti NPP Dalai Hajar Nriuspa nyo pulai vote. Uba penkrau Borlin ulayo ek total vote sado kat Hajar lai pusau kat ba uba Jeslan ulayo prahajar Sauspa Prapunri vote, but uba Karnes ulayo prahajar lai spanri puai votes. Haka jingkren bat kilat patai kubor, uba Kharjarin ulai kublai ki pai ba ki belajit yu bat eka parti bat ula penpau ba kini kajingjop kani kajingjop jong upai ba.
Menangani election Hasil Hills Autonomous District Council election I, returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election, constituency number 25 Papapad in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, Shri Penkrau Borlin Kharjarin of the Voice of the People Party to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him this certificate of election.
Tap da kajing sukmen mar ba hagre kasgi kumbangi krang ba kajing kala kan wandur hagre ka ri kasi ko kajing mantaru hagre kanti da kajing job don bom jong parti kajing nagre ka dong ka tha jogi na po makros konstitusi kada kajing job jong pai ba ni khmi anti ko pai ba angnut kermen ya kajing kala lengba jo kada kajing job jong parti kajing ni kermen scam in poi be sakata ka thong ka pai ba urlong ta golong ba inyo ya ka sansar ka khadar ka khoi ka suba ka sansar ka khadar le se ka banlong jingker khu ya barolang kham ta ma pengil po district council yin warra perklanya ki an peladon pa dan warra iki an ban perskem syu ya ke jenglong trai jugi ka khandau ka siap ya ka khayi ka peteng batik ne ka spa ka boleh ulai ya ka negeri ka bi ka sing tang kata ku be syu